In this video, we're going to talk about 7.3 Objective 2, where we determine whether statements about regression are true or make sense. So determine whether the following statement makes sense or is clearly true or does not make sense or is clearly false. I used a best fit line for data showing the ages of arm spans of thousands of girls of various ages to predict the mean arm span of 15-year-old girls. The statement makes sense, assuming that the data were collected in a reasonable way and all ages were sampled. A scatter plot for thousands of girls should produce a best fit line that makes reasonable predictions of mean arm spans at different ages. Now let's look at number 2, determine whether the statement makes sense or is clearly true or does not make sense or is clearly false. Using sampling data on footprint lengths and heights from men, the equation of the best fit line is obtained and is used to find that a man with a footprint length of 40 inches is predicted to have a height of 160 inches or 13 feet 4 inches. That doesn't make sense. That seems like nonsense right there. We don't have men that are 13 feet 4 inches tall. The best way to explain this is that the statement does not make sense since a prediction is being made regarding a value that is beyond the bounds of the data. So there we go. If we had stayed within the bounds of the data, then we would have gotten heights of normal sized men. But this 160 inches this 40 inches must be outside the bounds of our data to give us something like this that seems a little ridiculous. Okay, we'll come back next time and talk about 7.3 Objective 3. See you for the next video.